Question 1. What should a driver do when approaching a railway crossing without signals or gates? Speed up to cross quickly. B. Stop, look, and listen before proceeding. C. Honk the horn continuously. D. Ignore it if no train is visible. The answer is B. Stop, look, and listen before proceeding. Question 2. When should a school bus driver use hazard lights? A. When driving through a tunnel. B. Only in urban areas. C. When stopping to pick up or drop off passengers. D. When driving in heavy traffic. The answer is C. When stopping to pick up or drop off passengers. Question 3. What is the recommended following distance for a school bus in normal driving conditions? A. 2 seconds. B. 3 seconds. C. 4 seconds. D. 1 second. The answer is C. 4 seconds. Question 4. What is the safest way to handle a tailgater while driving a school bus? Speed up to create distance. B. Brake suddenly. C. Allow them to pass when safe. D. Ignore them. The answer is C. Allow them to pass when safe. Question 5. What should a driver do if they need to make a sudden stop? Honk the horn. B. Apply brakes gradually and steer straight. C. Shift to a higher gear. D. Use the emergency brake immediately. The answer is B. Apply brakes gradually and steer straight. Question 6. What is the first priority in any emergency situation on the bus? A. Call the school. B. Evacuate the students to safety. C. Check the condition of the bus. D. Assess the damage. The answer is B. Evacuate the students to safety. Question 7. Which item is required in a school bus emergency kit? A. A portable TV. B. A first aid kit. C. A spare tire. D. A flashlight. The answer is B. A first aid kit. Question 8. What should a driver do if the bus engine fails while driving? A. Shift to reverse. B. Steer the bus to a safe area and use the parking brake. C. Jump off the bus. D. Stop in the middle of the road. The answer is B. Steer the bus to a safe area and use the parking brake. Question 9. How often should emergency evacuation drills be conducted? A. Once a month. B. Twice a year. C. Once a year. D. Every 5 years. The answer is B. Twice a year. Question 10. What is the safest position for students during an emergency evacuation? A. In the middle of the bus. B. Near the back door. C. Away from the bus and traffic. D. Standing by the driver's seat. The answer is C. Away from the bus and traffic. Question 11. How often should a driver check the fluid levels in the bus? A. Once a week. B. Only during scheduled maintenance. C. Before each trip. D. Once a month. The answer is C. Before each trip. Question 12. What should a driver do if the fuel gauge shows low fuel during a route? Ignore it and continue. B. Stop and refuel as soon as possible. C. Finish the route and refuel later. D. Call for a backup bus. The answer is B. Stop and refuel as soon as possible. Question 13. What is the purpose of the bus's walk-around inspection? A. To check the paint condition. B. To inspect tires, lights, and exterior damage. C. To clean the windows. D. To practice emergency procedures. The answer is B. To inspect tires, lights, and exterior damage. Question 14. What must be checked inside the bus before starting a route? A. The stereo system. B. Passenger seating. C. Emergency exits and fire extinguisher. D. Window tinting. The answer is C. Emergency exits and fire extinguisher. Question 15. What should a driver look for during a tire inspection? A. Cleanliness of the tire. B. Age of the tire. C. Tire pressure and tread depth. D. Tire color. The answer is C. Tire pressure and tread depth. Question 16. What does MPI stand for in Manitoba? A. Manitoba Public Institution. B. Manitoba Public Insurance. C. Manitoba Policy Institute. D. Manitoba Personal Information. The answer is B. Manitoba Public Insurance. Question 17. Who is responsible for ensuring that a school bus driver holds the correct license in Manitoba? The students. B. The parents. C. The driver. D. The school board or bus company. The answer is D. The school board or bus company. Question 18. What is required to pass the medical examination for a Class 2F license? A. Passing a written test. B. Passing a fitness test. C. Completing a vision and hearing test. D. Completing a psychological test. The answer is C. Completing a vision and hearing test. Question 19. What should a school bus driver do if they receive a driving infraction? A. Ignore it. B. Report it to their supervisor. C. Pay it without telling anyone. D. Dispute it in court immediately. The answer is B. Report it to their supervisor. Question 20. Which document must be maintained and completed daily by the bus driver? A. Student attendance sheet. B. Bus cleaning log. C. School bus inspection log. D. Driver's diary. The answer is C. School bus inspection log. Question 21. What should a driver do if a student refuses to follow safety rules? A. Ignore the behavior. B. Give them a candy to stop. C. Move the student to a seat near the driver. D. Drop the student off at the nearest stop. The answer is C. Move the student to a seat near the driver. Question 22. What is an effective technique for dealing with younger students? A. Use technical language. B. Keep a friendly but firm tone. C. Ignore their questions. D. Give them complicated instructions. The answer is B. Keep a friendly but firm tone. Question 23. Why is it important to avoid showing favoritism on the bus? A. It creates a positive atmosphere. B. It prevents disorder among students. C. It encourages more discipline problems. D. It decreases respect for the driver. The answer is B. It prevents disorder among students. Question 24. Which is not a suitable disciplinary action for repeated misbehavior? A. Temporarily moving a student's seat. B. Reporting the behavior to the school. C. Ignoring the student. D. Withdrawing bus privileges temporarily. The answer is C. Ignoring the student. Question 25. What should a driver do if a group of students is causing trouble? A. Stop the bus and address the issue. B. Allow the group to continue. C. Yell at them to stop. D. Move the troublemakers to the back of the bus. The answer is A. Stop the bus and address the issue. Question 26. How should a driver approach a sharp curve while driving a school bus? Accelerate into the curve. B. Apply brakes sharply mid-curve. C. Slow down before the curve. D. Ignore posted speed limits. The answer is C. Slow down before the curve. Question 27. What should be done when driving through a construction zone? Speed up to avoid delays. B. Follow posted speed limits and watch for workers. C. Honk continuously to warn others. D. Use hazard lights. The answer is B. Follow posted speed limits and watch for workers. Question 28. What should a driver do if they encounter a flooded road? A. Drive through it quickly. B. Reverse and find an alternate route. C. Stop in the middle. D. Speed up to get through it faster. The answer is B. Reverse and find an alternate route. Question 29. What is the correct way to park a school bus on a hill? A. Leave it in neutral. B. Use the parking brake and turn wheels away from the curb. C. Park diagonally. D. Leave the bus running. The answer is B. Use the parking brake and turn wheels away from the curb. Question 30. What is the recommended action if a school bus begins to skid? A. Steer into the direction of the skid. B. Brake hard immediately. C. Turn the steering wheel sharply. D. Accelerate out of the skid. The answer is A. Steer into the direction of the skid.